Meaning of friendly match.
Friendly match.
Friendly match.
Friendly match.
Friendly match. A friendly match is a type of sports competition between two teams or individuals that is played for exhibition or practice purposes, rather than for official points or records. The term is commonly used in football, soccer, but can also apply to other sports such as basketball, tennis, and volleyball. In a friendly match, the rules are typically relaxed and the outcome is less important than the opportunity to fine-tune skills and build teamwork. Generally, friendly matches do not count towards a team's ranking or standings, but they can give valuable experience for future competitions.